question number practice exercise 4.1 question number 1 and 2. Today I am going to explain your lesson question number 3. Okay, what is the question? Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Okay, what is the question? Solve the following equations by trial and error method. The first question is find p plus 2 is equal to 70. Find p plus 2 is equal to 70. Okay, the value p is equal to 0. So, okay, LHS. What is the LHS? LHS is equal to find p plus 2. Find p plus 2. Okay, 5 into what is the value? P is equal to 0. Okay, 5 into 0 plus 2. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2. Okay, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. So, what is the LHS? LHS is equal to 2. 2 is not equal to RHS. Okay, LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, the value p is equal to 0 is not a solution to the given equation. What is the equation? Find p plus 2 is equal to 7. And next, the p is equal to 1. Okay, what is the question? Find p plus 2. Okay, what is the LHS? LHS is equal to find p plus 2. Okay, so what is the value? P is equal to 1. 5 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. What is LHS? 7 is RHS is equal to 70. Okay, so 7 is not equal to 70. Okay, so LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, the value p is equal to 1 is not a solution to the given equation. Okay, and next number, next value. Okay, the p is equal to 2. Okay, what is LHS? LHS is equal to 5p plus 2. Okay, what is the value? P is equal to 2. 5 into 2 plus 2. 5 is 10. Okay, 10 plus 2. What is the answer? 12. Okay, then what is the LHS? Sorry, RHS is 17. So 17. Sorry, LHS 12 not equal to 17. LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, and next value p is equal to 3. Okay, what is LHS? LHS is equal to 5p plus 2. Okay, p is equal to 5 into p. What is the value? P is 3. 3 plus 2. Okay, 5 3s are 15. 50 plus 2. Answer 17. Okay, the RHS. Okay, RHS is 17 and LHS is 17. Okay, so 17 is equal to 70. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, therefore p is equal to 3 is the solution. Okay, is the solution to what is the equation? 5p. Okay, 5 p plus 2 is equal to 17. Okay, the value of p is equal to 3 is the solution to 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Understood? Next number, 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. Okay, so I am giving the value m is equal to 3. Okay, so LHS is equal to 3m minus 40. Okay, is equal to 3 into m is 3 minus 40 is equal to 3 3s are 9. Okay, 9 minus 40 is equal to 5. Okay, minus 5. So minus LHS minus 5 not equal to 4. Okay, so LHS not equal to RHS. And next, m is equal to 4. Okay, LHS is equal to 3m minus 40. Okay, 3 into 4. 3 into 4 minus 40 is equal to 3 4s are 12 minus 40. Okay, what's the answer? 12 minus 40 is minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 not equal to 4. So LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, so and next m is equal to 5. Okay, so therefore LHS is equal to 3m minus 40. Okay, so 3 into 5 minus 40. Okay, 3 5s are 15 minus 40. 15 minus 40 is 1. Okay, so 1 is not equal to 5. Therefore, LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, and next let m is equal to 6. Okay, so LHS is equal to 3m minus 40. Okay, so 3 into m is 6 minus 40. Okay, 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 40 is equal to 18 minus 40 4. Okay, answer is 4. So 4 is equal to 4. LHS equal to RHS. Okay, therefore m is equal to 6. Okay, is a solution to what is the solution? 3m minus 40 is equal to 4. Okay, the m is equal to 6 is a solution to 3m minus 40 is equal to 4. Next question, write the equation for the following statement. Okay, what is the question? Write the equation for the following statement. And the first question is the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. Okay, the sum of number x and 4 is 9. So what is the answer? X plus 4 is equal to 9. X plus 4 is equal to 9. Second question, 2 subtracted from y is 8. 2 subtracted from y. Okay, so y minus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, what's the answer? 2 subtracted from y is 8 is equal to y minus 2 is b divided by 5. Okay, so b by 5 is equal to 6. Next number, 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. Okay, 1/4 of a number x is equal to 1/4 x minus 4 is equal to 4. Okay, what's the answer? 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. Okay, what's the answer? 1/4 x minus 4 is equal to 4. Next question. Your question number 5. Write the following equations in statement 4. Write the following equations in statement 4. Okay, so p plus 4 is equal to 15. So the sum of numbers p and 4 is 15. Okay, what's the p plus 4 is equal to 15. The sum of numbers p and 4 is 15. And next one is m minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay, so m minus 7. Okay, so 7 subtracted. Okay, the 7 subtracted from m. Okay, so what's the answer? 3. So 7 subtracted from m is 3. And next 2m is equal to 7. 2m means the choice of number m. Okay, 2m means the choice of number m is 7. Okay, the choice of number m is 7. And m divided by, okay, m by 5 is equal to 3. Okay, so the number m divided by the number m divided by 5 gives 3. And next is 3m by 5th is equal to 6. Okay, so 3m is 3/5. Okay, 3/5 of m is 6. 3m by 5 is equal to 6. What's the answer? 3/5 of m is 6. And last 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. Okay, 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. 3 times, okay, 3p means 3 times p. Okay, the 3 times p plus 4, okay, gives you 25. Understood? The 3p means 3 times of p plus 4, okay, gives you what's the 25. Here, question number 6. Set up an equation in the following cases. The first question, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parveen has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Okay, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parveen has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Okay, the number of Parveen's marble is m. So the Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parveen has. Okay, so 5 into the number of Parveen's marble plus 7. Okay, is equal to total number of marbles Irfan has. Okay, what's the equation? The 5 into number of Parveen's marbles plus 7 is equal to the total number of marbles Irfan has. The 5 into the number of Parveen's marble is m. Okay, so plus 7 is equal to total number of Parveen's marbles. Irfan having. Okay, total number of Parveen. So total number of marbles Irfan having. Total number of marbles is 37. Okay, so 37. Okay, 5 into number of Parveen's marble is m and plus 7 is equal to total number of marbles. Total number of marble is 5 into m plus 7 is equal to 37. Okay, what is the answer? 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. Okay, 5m 37. Next question. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay. The Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Let Lakshmi's age to be y. Okay, y is older. Lakshmi's father is 4 years older than 3 times of her age. So, what's the equation? 3 into Lakshmi's age plus 4 is equal to age of Lakshmi's father. Okay, 3 into Lakshmi's age is m plus 4 is equal to age of Lakshmi's father. Age of Lakshmi's father is 49. Okay, so 49. What's the answer? 3m plus 4 is equal to 49. 3m plus 4 is equal to 49. Next question. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Okay, let the base angle be in degrees. Okay, already know the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, what's the question? In an isosceles triangle, the vertex of angle is twice either base angle. Okay, so the sum of angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Let base angle be B. Okay. So then vertex of angle is equal to 2 into base angle is equal to 2B. So B plus 2B is equal to what is 180 degree. Okay, so what's the answer? 4B. Okay, 4B is equal to 180. Okay, what's the answer? 4B is equal to 180 degree.